Hello, well, welcome 1,000 thank yous for clicking on. I just want to show you this 172 scale armoured car, which I got off Temu for under £3. It just clips together, and I'm always on the lookout for things for your modern railway. So it sits on the low loader there. It's already green plastic, so that's the box it came in, that box there. And it just comes in a plastic bag in that box, and the box is well battered, and when I opened it, one of the axles was missing. I'll clip the top off if I can show you. It might fall off. There's not much, there's some weight there, so one of the axles, third one along, was missing, so I've just had to make an axle out of a drill bit, and put that back on. Oops. So really, and it fits on the low loader, it's a bit skew off there, but it's just ideas for your modern railway. You could put it on the low loader, or you just could put it on the road. On the road, anyway, I love the internet really, made in China. They are a pretty good model. As I said, it comes in the box and you just clip it together. I think everybody's selling them on Amazon, but this was under £3, and you can't get nothing much for under £3 these days. Some of them advertise the same ones for £4, but there's some good army stuff out there. I'm not into army stuff, but I'm just looking for something different for the modern railway, and just an idea. Thank you for watching.